You like property renovations? Well, today we're in Las Vegas. It's 110 degrees out here, and we're out at Rancho Bel Air looking at one of our newest renovation projects with Paragon AMG. We are the premier provider of luxury renovated properties here in the Las Vegas Valley. So if you're interested in looking at renovation projects and the progress of this one, stick around. We're going to show you a tour and what it's going to look like in the end. Let's get to it right now. Discover Rancho Bel Air, a luxury community in West Las Vegas blending historical charm with modern elegance. Established in the mid-20th century, its diverse architectural styles and spacious lots offer a high quality of life and a strong sense of belonging. Close to Lorenzi Park and renowned museums, Rancho Bel Air provides easy access to amenities, making it a vibrant and dynamic place to call home. Hey, I'm Brian Knisley, your local Las Vegas real estate broker. And if you've been following my channel, you know that we do a lot of flips. And so we're gonna be walking through this one here. So if you're interested in our process and how we flip properties, or maybe getting involved, or if you're a buyer looking to get one of our completely renovated, beautiful properties, please reach out. Love working with you. Sit down and have a consultation. My information is below, so please reach out. Enough talking, let's get into it. So if you remember what the property looked like before, I'll throw some photos up right here of the before, and you can tell we're completely changing the facade of the front of this property. Put in, took out all the dead grass, putting in a walkway up here with a fountain in the courtyard. Completely modernizing the front. As we walk up, you can see all brand new windows throughout the front of the house, and then big glass pivot door for your entry. Sweaty. It's hot in here. Now we're in the primary bedroom. Wanted to show you guys the before the primary bedroom. We've actually increased the ceiling height in here. You can see where the previous ceiling was. We've added a couple of extra feet to the ceiling height. Panel doors leading out to the backyard. And then you've got the is that you? Then we've got the doors also leading out to the pool area. So come on in here. This is gonna be the primary bathroom. Putting in the linear windows up there, and then letting in hopefully some light in here. You've got big shower plans and everything. And then we have the primary bedroom closet here, again with the linear windows letting in all the light. Good stuff. Can't wait to show you the finished product. in the backyard, and you can see the complete transformation of the back. We've got the panoramic doors going in, so it's gonna again open up the inside to the outside. We actually thought about moving the pool from there to over here, but I think we're gonna leave the pool as is and then just do something with this backyard here and spruce it up. But primary bedroom here off of the pool, outdoor bathroom leads you into the primary bedroom. So hey, just a quick note, if you've got a property anywhere to sell in the Las Vegas Valley and you want this kind of exposure, please reach out. I'd love to sit down and have a consultation with you. And if you've got a property that needs some updating and you want to partner with us on renovation projects, well, Flip Your Own House is one of the programs that we do, and I'd love to discuss that with you as well. Again, information's below. Let's get back to it. Taking a break in my office. So it's 110 degrees in the Vegas heat today. Wanted to come out here and show you guys the progress of this property, but don't roast me. I'm wearing casual gear today and wearing shorts. You guys can be pretty brutal on me sometimes in the comments, so take it easy on me. And if you've got a property that you're looking to sell and you like the property tours that I do, please reach out, get you maximum exposure for the best possible price. And if you're looking to buy, my team is here and available to help you on that journey as well. Reach out below, information is there. And if you like these property tours and you want to see more, check out this playlist over here and you'll see some of the renovation projects that we've done in the past and the way that this property can actually look once it's finished. Thanks for being here. See you on the next one.